Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to see how to convert Google Doc into dark mode. So friend, here you can see this is my Google Doc page and you must log in with your Gmail account in Google Docs, so you will see this type of dashboard. So here we are going to create new blank document, and here you can see this page is showing into light mode with the white color. Okay, now we are going to show you how you can convert this light color into dark mode, right? So what you will do, simply click on this new tab and here simply type Chrome://flags. So friend, whenever you click or open this flag page, you will get this experiment page is open. Now you can simply search in this bar dark. So you will see this force dark mode for web content is showing. Now you can simply click on this drop down button and select enable. When you click here enable button, then you will see relaunch button is appear. Now you can simply click on this relaunch button, so your browser will reload, and here you can see friend this completely this page is converted into dark mode. Okay, so in this case your browser is converted into dark mode of Google Chrome. So whenever you click on the Google Doc tab, here you can see friend all the things is converted into dark mode. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys how you can easily convert your Google Doc into dark mode on the computer version. Friend, I hope you know only dark mode is available into mobile and iPad versions are available, but desktop version they're not launched. But by these features you can easily convert Google Doc into dark mode. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys. I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, click on blue like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you're coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I am uploading this type of tutorials every week or every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, now we are going to convert this Google Doc as a light mode. You simply open this page again and click on this drop down button and select default and again relaunch. So what happened, your browser will convert it again in light mode. So friend, here we are open this Google Doc, it is as it is. So friend, this is a tutorial. I hope friend you like this one. If you like, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay friend, now we are going to move another tutorial where you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.